Welcome to our complete guide on how to play Hollow Knight with a controller in 2025. Let's delve into the enchanting world of Hallownest. First, let's discuss controller compatibility. Hollow Knight supports various controllers, including PS4, Xbox, and Switch Pro controllers. Choosing the right controller is crucial for optimal gameplay. Comfort and responsiveness make a big difference. Now, let's configure your controller settings within the game. Access the Settings menu to customize your control layout. Let's go over the basic controls: movement, jumping, and attacking. Mastering these is essential to navigate Hallownest. Once you're comfortable with basics, move on to advanced controls. Learn how to dash, cast spells, and heal effectively during battles. Utilizing the map and inventory is essential. Use your controller to navigate while planning your next move strategically. Here are some tips for mastering boss fights using a controller. Practice your dodging and master your spell usage. Consider exploring custom controller layouts for personal preferences. This can drastically improve your gameplay experience. If you encounter issues, here are common troubleshooting tips. Check batteries, reconnect your controller, and update drivers. In conclusion, playing Hollow Knight with a controller can enhance your experience. Practice, experiment, and enjoy your journey through Hallownest.